Welcome to Clovron Tech News. Are you worried about AI taking over your job? Well, maybe you should be. Today we're counting down the top 5 AI websites that are seriously changing the game, and frankly, could replace you. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we have Jasper.ai. This isn't just a fancy writing tool. Jasper is a powerful AI content generator that can produce marketing copy, blog posts, social media updates, and even creative stories. Businesses are already using it to scale their content creation, meaning fewer human writers might be needed for routine tasks. At number 4, it's Midjourney. If your job involves graphic design, illustration, or creating visual content, Midjourney is a game changer. You give it a text prompt, and it generates stunning, unique images. The quality is so high that for many applications, it's already becoming an alternative to hiring human artists. Securing the third spot is GitHub Copilot. For anyone in software development, Copilot is an AI pair programmer. It suggests code snippets and even entire functions as you type. While it's a fantastic productivity booster, it also means that junior developers or those performing more repetitive coding tasks might find their role significantly altered or reduced. Our runner-up, at number 2, is Synthesia. This AI video generation platform allows you to create professional-looking videos with AI avatars. You can type in a script, choose an avatar and a voice, and Synthesia produces a polished video. This is a huge disruptor for roles in corporate training, marketing, and even news delivery where human presenters were once essential. And the number 1 AI website that could replace your job? It's incredibly broad, but we're talking about the large language models themselves, accessible through various interfaces like ChatGPT or Google's Bard. These AIs can answer questions, draft emails, summarize documents, write code, brainstorm ideas, and perform countless other tasks that previously required human intellect and time. Their versatility means they are impacting a vast range of professions, from customer service and administration to research and analysis. It's no joke. These tools are rapidly evolving and integrating into workflows across every industry. Keep an eye on these, and consider how you can adapt. Which AI assistant has changed your daily workflow the most? Let me know in the comments below.